let's set up a lifeline for your rib stitch. So usually when it comes to setting up lifelines, I like to recommend using a smaller needle to do it, because then you don't have the extra step when you're done of transferring your stitches back onto a needle. But this one's a little more weavy, so I say use a tapestry needle with a scrap piece of yarn. We're going to start over on the right side with this knit stitch on the edge. And you can see clearly the V's in the body of the work, and then you can see this one, which doesn't look great because I didn't do an edge stitch, but it still has the V shape. So we're going to pick up the right leg of the V. So just identify, if you can, the V shape, and then you'll see the right leg, and put your needle in through there. And you can bring that through the yarn through. Now we have to kind of jump over this left leg. And when we do, we see this top and bottom bar. And right underneath there, if you peel them apart, is kind of a vertical bar. And so we're going to go underneath that, and you can pull the yarn through. And then we end up right next to one of these V's. So we can put our needle in through that right leg, jump over the left leg, and pick up that bar. And you can see too, instead of pulling it through right now, we're right by this next leg. So you can just do that all in one motion. Jump over, pick up that bar and the leg. Just keep going with that all the way to the end. Pick up the bar, and this is the final leg. And if you didn't have a knit stitch at the end, you would just pick up the bar and be done. And then you're ready to tear back your work.